In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Shopify subscription. Maybe you're taking a temporary break from your business or simply need some time to re-evaluate your strategy. Whatever your reasons, pausing your Shopify subscription can be a helpful option. So, let's go through the process step by step. First, begin by logging into your Shopify store. Use your usual credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main overview of your store. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the page, where you'll find the admin panel. This is your control center for managing different aspects of your store. You're specifically looking for the settings option. Click on Settings, and you'll find yourself at a page with an array of different options, all of which pertain to various configurations of your store. Now, locate Plan and Permissions from among these options. This section houses information regarding your current plan and is where you can alter your subscription details. Click on it, and you'll see an overview highlighting your current plan details and other related information. On this page, look for the Pause or Cancel Subscription option. This is the pivotal part of the process because it provides you with the flexibility you need either to pause or entirely end your subscription. Choose the Pause Subscription option. What this does is essentially put your store's billing on hold while making your store accessible in a limited mode. Here, you won't be able to manage your products or sell, but your store data is preserved, making it easier for you to resume operations later on, without starting from scratch. Once you click on Pause Subscription, Shopify will likely ask you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is crucial. It's Shopify's way of making sure you're certain about taking this action. Carefully follow the prompts provided on your screen. You might be asked the reason for pausing, and feel free to choose the option that best describes your scenario or simply provides general feedback. After confirming, your Shopify store will enter into the paused mode. Don't forget, while your store is paused, you'll still be able to access your dashboard. This allows you to review your sales history, customer data, and other important metrics available on your Shopify account. However, remember that during this time, your storefront will not be live, which means that customers cannot browse your site. And there you have it, a seamless walkthrough of pausing your Shopify subscription, allowing you that needed respite from running your store, without losing any data or your current setup. Thank you for watching, and if this guide was helpful, consider subscribing for more informative content.